Renew, acoustical ceiling tile restorer. Ceiling tile stains from water, smoke, and dirt make spaces look worn out fast. Renew is a durable white coating made for acoustical ceiling tiles and stucco, restoring stained ceilings without the cost and hassle of replacement. Shake the can thoroughly and spray evenly. It lays down a smooth, uniform white coating. Regular paint can easily fill the acoustic holes of the tile, while Renew's uniform layer does not clog those perforations. The result is a uniform and clean finish that blends with standard white ceiling tiles. These tiles are usually pre-cut for lights, sprinklers, vents, etc. Replacing them means remeasuring and recutting. Renew restores them in place, perfect for commercial and residential spaces, offices, hospitality, schools, medical facilities, and homes. Fire retardant when dry, blends in with no flashing, and won't bleed through. Renew, restore, don't replace. The smarter way to refresh your ceilings.